Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. So I've been doing a lot of TikTok and I've been enjoying it so much, right? I'm going to put my channel name right here somewhere so you guys can check it out. And I've been putting motorcycle content and all kind of different content in there as well, right? So again, love this stuff. I've been enjoying it very much. And one thing that you could do is that you could record your videos via your phone. Then you kind of airdrop your videos into your computer if you have an Apple computer, and then you could edit your videos. And what I come to find out is that editing your videos is really good because it allows you to clean that video and have a really polished video. And from there, you could just upload it to the desktop. I'm going to show you how I do that. Make sure you subscribe, by the way. Hit that notification so you can be notified when I post videos. So this is my channel right here. And you see, I just recently started 388 followers. Again, it has been maybe a week or 2 weeks since I started doing that. Right here in the top right corner says upload. And now you're going to come into this page right here. Essentially, what I do is that I press right here. Obviously, I look for my video, which is right there. And I just double click and it's going to upload. Now, from here, I put a title. And my son is going to boot camp. And what I like about this is that you could put some hashtags too here as well. So let's put USNC. And then you can see kind of like the amount of views that it has right here, right? 6.3 billion. Let's put Marines because he's going into the Marine. Put Marine Corps. Put that word together. So again, you put some of the hashtags in there. You can kind of see the video right here. And then you could kind of pick your frame, right? So you could pick different frames. Obviously, you know, pick the one that you kind of look the best. I'm just going to pick that one right there. You can allow people to comment, duo, stitch, all that stuff if you want to as well. I usually go ahead and do this right here, which is going to run a copyright check. Very important so you don't get any issues. And obviously you could do it to friends, private, or you know, again, public. I would love to this to have something for schedule so you could schedule your videos coming out on different days, but as far as I know, they don't do it yet, right? And again, you could kind of see your video right here. You could press in this button right here. Life is so crazy. You know, you look back in time and you think to yourself, wow, the stuff that has happened. You know, I'm blessed to know the Lord. I'm blessed to have a beautiful family. And you can see some of the stuff right there, right? And you could experiment with that. So again, very, very simple. Let me erase this right here. I kind of made a mistake here. So again, that's nice and clean. And from here, we're going to click post. View profile. That's about it, guys. You see the video right there. So again, really, really simple. Just another way for you to upload videos straight from your computer to TikTok. Again, it doesn't take that much. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.